See beta, now we will learn how to arrange the following fractions in descending order. And you all know when we have to write in descending order, first of all I will be writing my biggest fraction, then small, then smaller, and finally in the last I will be writing my smallest fraction. Fine. Now my first question is 4 upon 13, 2 upon 13, 7 upon 13, 9 upon 13. These fractions I have to arrange in descending order. You all can see that these fractions are my like fractions. Why? Because their denominators are same. Yes. And I told you while comparing the like fractions, we have to observe their numerator. Here my numerator is 4, 2, 7, 9. And I told you the fraction having the biggest numerator represents the biggest fraction. Here among all the fractions, only this fraction is having the biggest numerator. So this is my biggest fraction. Fine. So first of all I will be writing my biggest fraction. 9 upon 13 is my biggest fraction. Then what will come? 7 upon 13. Yes. Then 4 upon 13. And finally my smallest fraction is 2 upon 13. Why? Because among all the fractions, this fraction has the numerator 2. So 2 upon 13 represents the smallest fraction. Understood? Okay. Now, my second question is 11 upon 8, 11 upon 15, 11 upon 6, 11 upon 25. You all can see that these fractions are having different denominators. That is, these are my unlike fractions. And I told you while comparing unlike fractions, we have to observe their denominators. And the fraction having the smallest denominator represents the biggest fraction. You can see here the denominator is 8, here 15, here 6, here 25. Only 11 upon 6 has the smallest denominator among all. 8, 15, 6, 25. Which is the smallest denominator? 6. So 11 upon 6 represents the biggest fraction. So first of all I will be writing my biggest fraction, greatest fraction. Yes. Then what will come? 8, 15 or 25? Obviously 8. So 11 upon 8 I will be writing. Then 11 upon 15. And in the last, my smallest fraction is 11 upon 25. Why? Because 11 upon 25 has the greatest denominator among all the given fractions. And because this fraction is having the greatest denominator, so 11 upon 25 represents the smallest fraction. This is the smallest fraction. Why? Because this is having greatest denominator and 11 upon 6 is having the smallest denominator. So 11 upon 6 represents the greatest fraction. And in this way I have written the given fractions in descending order. I hope you understood. Thank you.